Me? Me? We're on? Good morning, everyone, and welcome to perhaps one of the more exciting staff meetings you've ever been to. This morning, I want to emphasize a few things. Number one, I want to emphasize you. Thank you. Teacher Appreciation Week. It is. We want to thank you over and over and over again for all of your incredible efforts throughout the course of this school year. Flexibility and adaptability have been at the forefront of everything that you have done, as well as your heart and soul. And we are so thankful for each and every one of you. Also, moving on, announcements today. Please continue to remain diligent about dress code and masks as the year comes to a close. We have less than 4 weeks remaining. Let's keep the message as positive as we possibly can. At the same time, we need to make sure that we are adhering to a safe and orderly environment and doing our best to support that. Thank you in advance for your support. Next thing, we do have a fire drill tomorrow following announcements in the morning. So during second period, right away following the announcements, this will be our last fire drill for the year. Hooray, hooray. And by the way, we're all done with our Alice drills, so that's it. Drill season is over. Third thing on the list this morning is there are lots and lots of opportunities to support our students as the year comes to a close. Several events are coming up. If you have an opportunity to get out to one of our spring sporting events, there are several options with baseball, softball, golf, track and field, and trap shooting as well. Theater performances are coming up the weekend of the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Please make sure that you do your best to get to one of those. We have band and choir concerts that will be virtually recorded. So perhaps mentioning something to a few of the students after viewing them, that would be great. And of course, we have graduation, which brings a smile to my face. Our goal is to support our students this final month. Please do your best to do so. Hey, did you know we have 7.5 hours remaining of support time for students that are struggling? No, I had no idea. Where did that time come from? That's right. We've got 7.5 hours of RTI time remaining this year. Here we go. That's right, folks. You heard it here first. 7.5 hours of RTI time remaining this year for you to potentially provide support for your students that are struggling. So use that time, please. That could certainly mean the difference between your students earning credit in your class this year or not. Thank you in advance for your efforts there. Moving on. We are moving forward with a senior checkout list this year, just so you're aware. Teachers that teach seniors, be expecting all of them to stop in to obtain your signature for their final grade. They need that as well as a number of other things that are on that checklist to be completed before they can pick up their cap and gown. So please be prepared for that to take place coming soon. Last but not least, you can expect a update from Billy Joe and from Julie Johnson in relation to student Chromebook turn-in. Those specifics will be coming to you shortly in an announcement, perhaps another wonderful video announcement like this one right here. Perhaps not, perhaps in an email, who knows. Emails are boring, videos are fun. We're going to leave our staff meeting with this. I want each of you to know how much I truly appreciate you, and I want each of you to know that this year, although challenging, has been spectacular in so many different ways. Our students appreciate all of you. I hear it all the time in the hallways, in the bathroom. Just kidding, not in the bathroom. But I hear it everywhere I go in the school. And you teachers truly are what makes Spectrum Spectrum. Again, you are so appreciated. And please take some time during this week to reflect on what was a crazy year. But at the same time, we got 3.5 weeks left. So let's crush it. Let's get through it, and we'll do it together. Don't forget, lots of events coming up and lots of opportunities to support our students. Appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great rest of the week.